Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own page from scratch using HTML. Whether you are a beginner or looking to brush up your skills, this guide will walk you through each step. So let's get started. First, you need a text editor and a web browser. I'm using VS Code and Chrome. You can use any editor and browser you like, but make sure you are comfortable with them. Create a new file and save it as index.html. This will be the main file for your web page. Start with the basic HTML structure. Type the following code. Let's add some more content. Below the heading, add a paragraph, picture, and a link. You can also add lists and tables. Here is how. You can style your page with CSS inside the head ad. Save your index file and open it in your browser. You should see your web page with the content and styles you have added. And there you have. You have created your very own web page using HTML. So guys, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.